Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P1009 represents a malfunction related to the variable valve timing control VTC system in the Honda Civic 2022 and newer models. This diagnostic trouble code indicates that the advanced intake camshaft phase angle is set higher than the engine control module's commanded value. The engine control module, PCM, or powertrain control module, monitors the VTC system to optimize engine performance by adjusting camshaft timing based on various factors like load and speed. When the PCM senses an abnormal condition, it triggers the P1009 code and stores it in memory, which can affect vehicle performance. It is essential to address this code promptly to maintain efficient engine operation and prevent potential damage to engine components. Prior to troubleshooting, ensure to review the complete diagnostic manual for optimal understanding of the procedures involved. The P1009 code specifically indicates a malfunction within the variable valve timing control system. This system plays a crucial role in regulating the timing of the intake camshaft phase to optimize engine efficiency and performance. The PCM, or powertrain control module, analyzes the current phase angle of the intake camshaft, and if it detects that this angle is excessively advanced compared to what it anticipated, it stores the DTC P1009. The components affected include the VTC oil control solenoid valve A and the VTC actuator A, which are critical in managing oil flow and camshaft timing adjustments. The VTC oil control solenoid valve A is typically located near the cylinder head, while the VTC actuator A interacts directly with the camshaft. Locating and inspecting these components is key to solving this DTC. DTC P1090 can arise from several possible causes. One common issue is the presence of debris or clogs in the VTC system oil passage, which can inhibit oil flow necessary for the VTC actuator to function properly. Another potential cause is a malfunctioning VTC actuator, A, which may fail to adjust the camshaft timing accurately. Additionally, a faulty VTC oil control solenoid valve A can impede the proper flow of engine oil, which is essential for adjusting the cam timing. Each of these components plays a vital role in the proper operation of the VTC system, and diagnosing their individual functionality is a critical step in resolving the P1090 code. The symptoms associated with DTC P1009 can significantly affect the performance of your Honda Civic. One of the most noticeable symptoms is poor engine performance, which may manifest as hesitation during acceleration or stalling. Drivers may also experience increased fuel consumption as the engine struggles to perform efficiently due to improper camshaft timing. Another clear indicator of this error is when the check engine light illuminates on the dashboard, alerting the driver that the PCM has detected a malfunction. These symptoms not only detract from driving comfort, but also suggest that addressing the issue is crucial to prevent further engine complications. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P1009 is to start the engine and observe its performance characteristics. You want to check for any visible signs of irregularities or listen for abnormal engine noises that could indicate a malfunction within the VTC system. Starting the engine will allow you to monitor the oil pressure and overall performance right away. Using a diagnostic scan tool, you can also check if the P1009 code reappears after the initial clear to further confirm the issue. It is essential to ensure the engine is at operating temperature for an accurate diagnosis, as some performance issues may not be evident when cold. In the second troubleshooting step for DTC P1009, you need to inspect the VTC system oil passage for any debris or clogs. This is crucial, as any blockages can restrict oil flow, which may prevent the VTC actuator from functioning correctly. Using appropriate tools, visually inspect these passages and consider using a cleaning agent if you suspect there could be buildup. These passages are critical for providing engine oil pressure to the VTC actuator that manages camshaft timing. If clogs or debris are found, it is important to thoroughly clean or replace affected components to restore proper oil flow and functionality. Once the necessary repairs or component replacements have been made in response to DTC P1009, it's crucial to conduct a final repair verification. Start by clearing the DTC from the PCM using a diagnostic scan tool. This erases any previous fault codes and allows you to perform a fresh assessment. After clearing the codes, start the engine again and observe for any re-emerging warnings or performance issues. Inspect the vehicle under various driving conditions to ensure the engine operates smoothly with no abnormalities. Confirming that the repair worked effectively is essential for ensuring the longevity and reliability of the vehicle. To maintain the performance of the VTC system and prevent issues like DTC P1009, regular preventive maintenance is vital. One crucial aspect is ensuring prompt oil changes, as clean oil is essential for smooth operation and prevents clogging in the VTC oil passage. Additionally, periodic inspection of the VTC components, including the VTC oil control solenoid and the actuator, can help identify potential issues before they lead to significant breakdowns. Regularly checking for abnormalities or changes in engine performance can also be an early indicator of VTC problems. Maintaining overall engine health will lead to a more reliable driving experience. In conclusion, understanding the significance of the VTC system in your Honda Civic is key to maintaining engine performance. The DTC P1009 highlights critical functions involving the variable valve timing control that, if neglected, can lead to poor engine efficiency and potential damage. Promptly addressing this DTC by following systematic troubleshooting steps can resolve the issue effectively. Furthermore, incorporating regular maintenance, such as timely oil changes and inspections of VTC components, can significantly reduce the likelihood of these faults arising in the future. Staying proactive can ensure a better driving experience while extending the longevity of the vehicle. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.